Yes, we are talking about the Power Rangers Beast Morphers Beast X Saber. Okay? Beast X Saber. Yeah. Okay? So, you see the sides on here. You see Devin Daniels, aka the Red Beast Morpher Ranger. You know, I love this artwork. This artwork of the from Hasbro. This shows you what you're getting. Alright, now I'm a sucker for a good role-playing toy, alright, from Power Rangers. Now, I have here the original Go Busters. You know, I love it. You know, it's super cool, super dope. You know what I'm saying? It transforms, you know, as a camera. I have the original Morpher, you know, which they use on the show, not the ones that we have here on you know, in America right now. And we also have the actual original Beast X Saber right here. Let me see. Open that up right quick. How do we do that? I forgot. I haven't used it in a minute. What up? Oh. Pretty much that. This is the Beast X Saber, or for Go Busters. That's their version. So let's get into the real one. Well, the newer, improved version. Alright, now, I'm not the biggest person, person fond of the newer role-playing items for Power Ranger Beast Morphers. They just look dull to me. Like, I don't know, it just doesn't do much for me. They look too much like a kiddie toy. But this right here, since I am going to be doing a Beast Morphers cosplay for the following year or so, I really wanted something that was really more up to scale and up to par. Oh, this is a little okay. To like to fit the whole mold. Like the blaster is great, but it just didn't feel like holding this. And I was definitely excited to see that they actually upgraded the size for the Saber and actually didn't make it too kiddie looking. You know, kept it with somewhat of the original colors, but added something different. Woo! Look at this bad boy. Chuck that to the side. Wow. Guys, look. This is not a knife. Nah, this is a knife. Look at the size comparison, guys. This is the original. This is Bandai Japan. This is Hasbro. All right, look at that side by side. This is on a level of the you know, on that level of the Power Rangers. What was it? The Dragon Dagger or the Power Sword. This is on that scale. You know, a little smaller, but in about the same size as I would say as the Saber. I would say probably like a little bit bigger than the Saber, and that's only because they have little digital spots here, which is cool. But I think for myself as a cosplayer and everything, I think I might just drumble this stuff down to be more show accurate, similar to this, like actually have more of a actual blade instead of this. But at the same time, I might keep it. I don't know. Time will tell. So let's get into what this thing can do. Like, it's got some heft to it though. It moves. It really moves. All right, let's turn it on. I think it's on. Okay, let's go. And it just glows. That's pretty cool. That's cool. That is dope. Cool. All right, that is pretty dope. I like this. This is definitely, because I know in the show he hold it like this. Like, yeah. This is nice. I like this a lot. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Can we get this to? Hold on. See, I could definitely do this. Yes. This This is it right here. Hold up. Yes. Yes. This is it. This is it. This is it. I feel weird. I feel stupid. I feel stupid. I feel stupid. But I don't care. This is my channel. Alright? And you're watching this because you think this is funny. So, or weird. And you know what? I'm just shut up. But overall, let's just turn this thing off. This is pretty cool. I really dig this a lot. This is a dope toy. Dope sword. You know, I definitely guarantee, I definitely approve of this. Definitely, for sure. This is awesome. Definitely an awesome thing. Definitely Hasbro, you're stepping the game up, you're changing the game, and I approve of everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your boy Awkward. This is my Beast X Saber. I'm Awkward, and I'm out. Peace.